Hello, this is Mr. G. In this video, we are going to cover how we can use the divisibility rules in math to help us determine if the numbers are prime or composite numbers, right? So in math, when we have big numbers like, let's say, 84, okay, we can use certain rules here to determine if it is a prime or composite number. So, for example, if we have the 4 in the ones place in 84, we can kind of do a checklist here and see which one could apply to that 84. So if I look at the rule number 2, it says a number is divisible by 2 if it ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, right? So uh, 84 does end in 4, so that means um, 84 is divisible by 2, so that means it's a composite number. And if we know with division, right, division is the opposite of multiplication. So that means that there's some number that I can multiply with 2 to get 84. I don't have to know what number that is. All I know is that 84 is a composite number because it is divisible by 2. Okay, so we could do another one here. If I had 95, right here, if I look at the rule of 5, it says a number is divisible by 5 if it ends in 0 or 5. So since 95 ends in 5, that means um, we can use this divisibility rule to know it is a composite number. So again, I know that I can multiply a number by 5 to get to 95. And we know prime numbers, we know that it's a prime number when we could just multiply 11 and 1, right? 1 and itself, right? We could do another rule here. We can see here, if I had 63, right? 63 doesn't end in 2, 4, 6, 8, 5, or 0. But we can look at the rule of 3 here. It says a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So if I add 6 plus 3, right? If I add 6 plus 3, that will give me 9, right? So the sum of these two is 9. Okay. I'm going to determine if I can divide 9 by 3, right? Well, yeah, 9 divided by 3 is 3. So, okay, this is a composite number, right? This is a composite number. Okay. So we can see, we can try another one as well, another example. So if I have maybe I don't know, if I had 93, okay, I know that the rule of 2 is not going to work because it doesn't end in 2, 4, 6, 8, right? It doesn't end in 5 or 0, okay. um so I'm going to go ahead and try the rule of 3 here. Okay, so here I'm going to be like, okay, well, the rule of 3 says if I add these two numbers, I should be able to divide it by 3. Well, if I do 9 plus 3, right, 9 plus 3 will give me, okay, 12. Well, 12 is divisible by 3, right? I can divide 12 by 3. So that this one works. That means this is a composite number, right? It's not a prime number. Okay, and that's how we use the rules of divisibility to help us determine if numbers are prime or composite numbers.